Hey everybody, it's Martha. Welcome back to my Shabby Craft studio. I got a new toy. Couldn't wait to spit that out, could I? So I ordered this the other day from scrapbook.com, and I saw a review this morning on Facebook where somebody was extremely disappointed in it. And so I decided to do an unboxing and a test. It is smaller than I expected. Ooh. Okay, that sounds ominous. So I'm going to try it. This is scrapbook paper. It's one-sided. It's not as heavy as cardstock, and it's not as light as a 20-pound copy paper. So I'm going to learn from Rachel and how she has done hers. She always holds this down. Ooh. I like it, but there's something going on, and this is what the person on Facebook complained about. That top part, that top edge, not very deckled. So let me try this side again. Yeah, there's definitely an issue with the top part of that. So if you put it down further, you get a more even deckled edge. So I would say that's a definite flaw. It's also very small. It is from cutting edge to this edge is 7 1/4, but the top is just over 6 1/2, not quite 6 3/4. So yeah, interesting, huh? You pay a lot for these things. And I do believe that Tonic is going to have an issue, because if you look at the blade on this edge, it's not very deckled at all. The rest of this blade is very nice, but this top edge, not deckled at all, hardly at all. So it's definitely definitely an issue, and I do believe the person who complained was correct. So see that top edge right there? That top maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and the rest of it's fun. It does definitely look deckled. I don't know that I would spend the money on this again, to be honest. It's quite disappointing. I will say that the quality control of this was not handled better. So again, you can see the edge up here is nothing like the edge down here. So yeah, I think they are going to have a lot of complaints. Now, if you move it down, it certainly does cut more evenly. But, you know, if you have a tall piece of paper, this is, the cutting surface is about 8 1/2. Yeah. You know what? I wonder. Nope, you can't do that. So this blade, you know, you have a paper stopper down here, but this part of the blade is still deckled down here. I wonder if you could cut off the top part, but if you did that, if you unscrewed it, move it up, then your holes wouldn't match to screw it back in. So yeah, definitely an issue. I think anybody who gets this should definitely complain. And Tonic should make this right, I do believe. So again, you can get a nice edge on the bottom, but you can't get a nice edge on the top. Don't know that it was worth it. I spent $35, I think I got it for $35 and had to pay tax and shipping from scrapbook.com. So there is my very quick, not very satisfied review of such an expensive tool. Again, you can see, let's see if I can show you. You can see, nope, you can't see. Maybe I do it this way. Yeah, you can see that edge is not as deckled as that part of the edge of the metal. So, and it's like that on the blade as well. The blade is also deckled, but not up there. So, yep, bit disappointed. Sorry, Tonic and Tim Holtz. Not happy. I don't know. This might be getting sent back because I'm not sure it was worth my money. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think if you get yours. Bye, everybody. Take care.